Hey guys, here I am recording the birds. They are swimming all together. So I don't know what kind of birds they are, but they're doing very nice. They are enjoying their life. They don't have any problems. They don't have to pay the bills. They are not thinking of about house payment, rent payment, tickets, or even they don't think about any traffic jams. Just enjoying. And after they die, there are not gonna be any questions about how they spend their life. How about the human? So human have all that problems which I call, and more than that, and plus all that, he gonna be asked about how he spent his life or what he did in this life. Human have to have answers for all that. We can find all that answers in Islam. Thank you guys.